Okay, welcome back everyone. I hope you all had a good lunch and some great conversations. We are starting our afternoon session with a special talk from our diamond sponsor, Solvership, Podgorica. We are truly grateful for their partnership and support, which helped make this year's Montenegrin Machine Learning Workshop possible. Solvership is one of the leading data analytics companies in the region, and their work plays an important role in developing advanced, business-driven data ecosystems both in Montenegro and internationally. Representing Solvership today is Nemanja Pavicevic, the consultancy director who brings over 15 years of experience in data warehousing, business intelligence, and modern data architectures. He has worked across telecom, banking, and energy sectors, leading projects that ensure scalable, reliable, and insightful data systems for clients like Magenta Telecom, A1 Serbia, and Sunrise Switzerland. In his talk titled Before the Model, Building Data Foundations That Make AI Work, Nemanja will share how solid data infrastructure and integration are key to making AI truly deliver value. Please join me in welcoming Nemanja Pavicevic from Solvership. Nemanja, the stage is yours.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. It's great to be here at Montenegrin Machine Learning Workshop. Before I begin, I just want to say how inspiring it is to see this event happening here in Montenegro, organized by this group of bright people and talented. It's proof that innovation doesn't belong to a single country or company. It grows wherever there is curiosity, creativity, and the will to collaborate. And this workshop shows that our region is not just following global trends, it's contributing to them. Now, so being surrounded by so much talent, we are naturally drawn to talk about exciting things like AI, models, the breakthroughs, the systems that seem almost magical. But today, I'd like to step back and talk about something quieter, something that makes all of this possible. Because before the model, before prediction or automation, there is data. And the way we structure, govern, and connect data is what determines whether AI delivers real insight or just very fast confusion. So, artificial intelligence and machine learning are truly monumental achievements. They combine mathematics, logic, and creativity in a way that expands what humans can perform. So think about language models summarizing legal text, algorithms detect diseases before symptoms appear, systems optimizing entire energy grids in real time. It's remarkable, but also fragile. Every one of these systems rely entirely on data. The better the data, the smarter the model. The weaker the data, the more convincing the mistakes become. So we see AI's brilliance when we interact with, but rarely see the groundwork beneath it. Dozens of people building pipelines, cleaning inconsistencies, labeling data sets, setting validation rules. Before intelligence comes order. The silent work of structuring and governing data is what makes AI possible, not glamorous, but essential. Gartner and Anaconda both estimate that on average 60 to 80% of data scientists' time is spent on just preparing data, cleaning, merging, handling missing values. Imagine any other profession spending that much time fixing the tool before use. But that's the norm in data science. It tells us something profound. AI's greatest constraint isn't innovation, its organization. So what is our role in here? At Solvership, we have spent more than 2 decades working on this invisible layer. Data warehouses, data models, governance systems that make data usable and trusted. We are not building AI models. We are making sure they have something to learn from. When clients tell us their AI systems fails, it usually unveils that the issue is behind the surface, that issue comes from disconnected systems, missing lineage, or data that were never meant to talk to each other. 80% of AI projects never see the production, not because of bad math, but because of unready data. Many organizations try to leap immediately from raw data to artificial intelligence, skipping the boring middle layer. But this middle layer is where trust is built. As authors of Data as a Fourth Pillar remind us, AI doesn't invent knowledge, it amplifies it. If data are wrong, AI simply scales the error. So in most organizations, data live in silos. Sales has one version of truth, finance another, operations third. Even customer can differ between systems. When that chaos feeds into AI, it doesn't produce clarity, it produces confusion. When AI systems fail, the root cause is rarely the algorithm. It's almost always structure, missing metadata, broken lineage, no traceability. Once trust is lost, no dashboard can fix it. If you can't explain how a result was produced, you can't improve it. And that's true for machine learning and for leadership. Before innovation comes organization. Governance gives accountability, quality builds trust, and reproducibility ensures progress. You can't automate what you don't understand. And yet, so many AI systems try. Every organization that scales AI successfully shares one principle. They treat data as managed asset, not a byproduct of operations. Just a second. So, what does AI ready actually means? It's not about size, it's about substance. Again, the authors of Data as a Fourth Pillar authors describe the QCS framework, quality, compliance, and speed. That means that the data must be correct, lawful, and available exactly when decisions are made. AI is only as fast as the slowest data pipeline, and only as accurate as least governed data set. Every organization needs 3 disciplines. Governance for trust, modeling for structure, and maintenance for growth. And that includes unstructured data, text, images, documents, video. A medical scan is just pixels until it's connected to patient, to date, to diagnosis. Structure isn't about rigidity, it's about meaning. Once you connect data to real-world context, it stops being noise and starts being knowledge. These challenges appear everywhere: government, academia, business. Different incentives, different tools, same root cause: no shared view of data. We have seen organizations collect massive amounts of information, yet without governance. Without governance, it stays locked in PDFs and spreadsheets. So these aren't technical issues, they are cultural ones. Building data maturity isn't about buying a new platform, it's about shared responsibility. When every team understands the value of data, alignment follows naturally. So, AI will keep evolving faster, bigger, more impressive each year. But progress won't be defined by model size, it will be defined by the foundations beneath them. When data are structured, trusted, and connected, intelligence emerges naturally, both human and artificial. So what makes me proud today is seeing this kind of innovation, this level of talent and collaboration growing right here in Montenegro. It reminds us that great ideas don't need massive budgets or global headquarters. They need curiosity, courage, and good data. AI isn't the beginning of intelligence, it's the reward for getting our data, our collaboration right. That would be all from my side. Thank you. See you.